Stranger! You've got trouble!
Generally the case.
Don't bother the boss with your nonsense, you little whinger.
Whinger? Honestly, Bruz, that hurt. That hurts even more.
What's the trouble?
Broken rib, I think. But what I wanted to tell you is, the fort is being attacked. The Dark Lord knows you're here, and the door to my escape tunnel is jammed.
A test of our defenses.
And our defenders. Bruce, prepare to defend the fort.
That sounds like a job for Overlord What's-His-Name, seeing as how I was passed over for that position.
You will do as you are told.
Come on, bright fella. Just having a laugh. You know how I love snapping off heads. I'll defend the fort like it was my own.
I'll help with the defense as well. I'll start with the food in the pantry. Make sure it hasn't been poisoned.
Yummy! I do not think you are a threat. I think you are a tasty morsel. Too small to be full meal, but interesting little tidbit. You are delicacy.
He's right here!
Take that man! Take down! Man is here! Why, you others? Eat that! Get up! You stop! Watch out!
Submit to me!
Did you practice in front of a mirror?
Man-filth! When we're done here, you'll be tired and dead. I'll only be tired. Here comes the end.
orcs reach the keep,
Then that is where they will die.
Eat this! I am your loyal servant, master! I do love a good stomping. Like that. Good. Now kill it. No, I think not.
Boss is dead! We're off the leash, lads!
I will destroy you! Feel this! Don't let them go to the gate! Thank you. Always said yeah, do it again! That hurt just to watch.
I didn't join this army to be a training dummy.
Reckon that's the last of them, boss.
Another attack will surely come.
I hope so. This one was a blast.
You fought very well.
Told you I'd defend this fort like it was my own. Turns out, it is.
Treason! We will retake our fortress. We will slaughter that wretched Olog and all who stand with him.
And what of the ones who stand with us? Clearly their loyalty cannot be trusted.
All who resist will be made an example of.
Ranger, you've got trouble. Bruz has taken over your fortress.
I figured that was the plan when he stabbed me in the back.
From the back right through to the front. I mean, you were like bleeding. Sorry. The point is, the other orcs know that you had Bruz with your "suffer me now," and they know he broke free, which has caused quite an impression, let me tell you. Orcs are lining up to follow him. Now, I'm not one to tell you how to do your business, but you need to put a stop to him right away, and you might want to mount a rescue.
A rescue?
Yeah, he's taken over a bunch of prisoners, one of whom is your overlord, I'm pretty sure. Might want to save him.
Where?
This way. Really, it was like you were stuck on a spit and just...
Quiet!
There are 3 prisoners. You go in and do your thing. I'll stay back and scout the area.
Clark.
Really good scout.
Scouts go on ahead.
And die? That's why I'm so good. Oh, right, here we are. Commence scouting.
Thrak. Clark.
Come for me, boss!
So far, so good. There are 2 more prisoners.
Yes, you said 3, and
Vlog.
got 1. I can count.
Oh, well, that'll come in handy. So up ahead is the last.
Yes, I know.
I was just starting to enjoy that, but all right.
Well, guess that's it then. You can get back to your warmongering and, I'll... Hello.
We are not done here. Bruz.
Oh, right, Bruz. In his fortress. Oh, your fortress. Had a lot of owners, that fortress. Oh, and the fortress was mine. It's a wee bit drafty, but oh, the views. I mean, I made a lot of improvements to that place.
Like your tunnel.
Yeah, I had an escape tunnel. Smart thinking, I thought. You know, great if you need to get out, that's for sure.
We could use that.
Why, we don't need to get out.
We could use it to get back in.
Right.
Where is this tunnel?
This way. I'm pretty sure.
Welcome back, boss. So what was the plan? Rescue your boys? Bring them here for some kind of reckoning? You even brought along that little shrug-stained rat bag. Well, tell you what, I've got some friends too, me. Yeah, we can have a real party, a right shindig, yeah? We can have some grog, play a few fun party games like pull the arms off the ranger. Have at it, boys.
Bruz says we gotta kill a fella. We're eager to obey, but I don't mean we do it quick. I'm going to carve your face off and make you choke on it!
Didn't see that coming.
Bruz is right. This will be a party. It's going to involve a lot of pain for you, and hopefully a little bit for me.
Watch this. Finish what you suck.
Such a bugger, Ranger. Wasn't supposed to go this way. You will see me again. Sure as striking a category.
He won't get far. We will find him and use him to show all of Mordor what happens to those who oppose the Bright Lord.
This fortress is once again under my command. An attempted rebellion has been put down. Its conspirators have been put to the sword. Its leader will soon suffer the same fate. You now hold this fortress for the Bright Lord! Here, my enemies will find no weakness, no mercy, only the unassailable strength of my army!
Battalion! Ratpack needs your help! I've lost Ranger.
How do you lose an Olog?
He was taken. I found this messenger by his food bowl.
Isn't there an expression about killing the messenger?
Yeah, always kill the messenger.
That actually explains a lot. So what did he have to say?
He said, if you ever want to see your pet again, bring the Shrap-eaten Grave Walker.
Don't do that.
Oh, sorry.
You realize this is a trap?
Of course. But you owe me. And you owe Ranger. After all, we got rid of Bruz for you.
Not exactly how I remember it.
Well, we could quibble over details all day, but the fact is we're your boys. What will the other orcs think if you don't stand up for one of your own?
He's right. Orcs follow strength. If we allow our soldiers to be attacked without retribution, it will be seen as weakness.
You may have a point.
I do? I mean, yeah, I do. Now come on, let's go get Ranger.
Look at us, working together, just like the old days.
Quiet! You'll give us away. Just like the old days.
He's the worst boss I've ever had. Quiet. It's going to make me swallow, and then rip off my ass and make you swallow that. Careful, that's a patrol. He's here! Over there!
There he is, the glorious bride lord. I knew that little sniveling crabbo would manage to get you here.
Bruz! I'll show you, Snivel. What have you done with Ranger?
Shut your trap. This is between me and the grave walker.
Come down here, and we'll end this.
This is just a beginning. First, it has to hurt. Then, if one of my boys kills you or that sniveling rat, so much the better. But if they don't, well, that's when the real fun starts, doesn't it?
back here, you rotten piece of schrack!
He's gone. But we'll see him again.
We better, because I'm not done with him!
Listen to me. We will find Ranger. We'll take care of Bruce once and for all.
I'm not just gonna sit on my ass and wait. I will scour every inch of Mordor until I find him. And when I do, you will be the first to know.
Fair enough.
Bruz is just the beginning. The more power we gain, the more others will seek to challenge it.
Then we'll kill them.
No, he must be made an example of, or others will rise to take his place.
Then we'll kill them as well.
Why kill countless challengers when you can stop it all by breaking one?
Because we are here to win a war. And not play your politics.
In Mordor, they are one and the same. The longer Bruz survives, the more orcs will rally to his cause.
Popping off heads is hardly a cause. But you're right. We need to deal with them.